Hi guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. Today's episode, I will show you how to make money on Amazon being an associate. You could make $100 or more every month, depends on how many hours you are putting into it. I'm only spending like between 5 to 10 minutes every day. And at the end of the month, I'm averaging of $100. So that's better than nothing. And anyways, if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And let's get this video going. So on your browsers, you can type in Amazon Associate Sign Up. Click on it. It will get you here. It will redirect you to this page. Since I have already an account, I can go ahead and log in. But for you, you can actually click the Get Started, and that's how you sign up, put your information. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. So once you're logged in, it will ask for your two-step verification. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is my homepage. It's kind of like my dashboard. As you can see here, I have already sold 121 items. I've already earned $81, and the total ordered is 124 items. Before you could do anything, Amazon would like to have you open up a storefront. They call it your page or your influencer page, so which is right here, manage my storefront or my page. So I'm gonna go ahead and click my page, and let me see what others see. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is my page. All right, and what I have here is I'm the one who putting them, was like cherry picking these products and putting them on my storefront. These are the products that 50% of this product I recommend because I have used it myself, or I bought it myself in Amazon.com, and I have kind of knowledge of this product, so I put that on my Amazon. So when you first starting, you will have nothing in your storefront right here. You will have nothing here. So the way you do this, you would go ahead and add to your storefront. You click add, or you click idea list. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's idea list. This is the idea list. I have the DIY miniature dollhouse. That's my idea list. Then I have the tablets. You could make up your own title of your idea list, and you would put the description of all this idea list. So let's go ahead and give you an example of how to do this. So add to your storefront. You could do the promo code, you could do the bounty, you could do the shippable, and you could do the idea list. So let's go ahead and add idea list. Okay. Now you can go ahead and kitchen tools, right? Then you would say blah 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 about this, and you would click create. But I'm not gonna do this now because I'm gonna show you that what I have already done. So let's assume that I already created my idea list. Okay, so here I'm gonna click this DIY idea list. Okay, so search product. Let's say I would like to add in this DIY popsicle for miniature house and crafts. I would have to add a hot glue gun. Okay, now I've got this one, the first one. So to add this to your storefront, all you have to do is click the plus sign. There you go. So you see what I did, and if I want to add the hot glue, the pink one, I would just click that one, and it will let you know that you have added it, because it will turn into checkbox. So let's close it, so I will show you that you have been added this. There it is. I just added 2, and it is here. That's how you add your products on your storefront. Then once you added everything, I have here, look at this, look at my idea list. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I got actually 12 or more. You can build your idea list, and then once you have enough products, you could go ahead and share your products to your family and friends, or to your social media, or to your groups. And the way I share my link, I have a specific group for just Amazon shoppers. have a 3,000, almost 3,200 followers in there. So that is where I share my link. So let's go ahead and go back to my, okay, we are back to my homepage, which is my dashboard. If somebody is asking you, hey, can you find me this product? So the way you would do it, you would have to go on your homepage and you type in here keyword or ASIN. So let's say you want to find popsicle stick. Alright, you just click go. And if you want to share this 1000 articulous wooden popsicle, I like to get this one here, the instant create link. Click this one. I like to use the short link, so I would have to click that one and see this one, highlight, and then go ahead and share that to your family and friends on Facebook or social media, any social media. Amazon will display everything here for you. You like the 70% and you like to you like this product and you would like to share that to people. So what you would do, you would click on that product, okay? And so you see this get link? That is the called site stripe, Amazon site stripe. So I would go ahead and click the text. If you want to share the whole product, you would have to use this, but I like individuals. If I just want to advertise this one, I would have to click the specific, the individual one, and then that is when I will see. So there's $25, and how much was the percentage? Is 70%, and I use calculator a lot. So let's go ahead and calculate that. 25 minus 70%. So that is $7.50. That's how much you would have to put on your listing. So you click get link and copy and paste. And then I want to show you my page. Let me go back to my Facebook. This is how I share my link. I would have to put the link in here, right? And then I would put the price first. This is actually people can just click on it, and then if they put it in their cart and if they check out, they will see the discount when they check out. But if they're not sure, usually a lot of people confuse how to get the real number, because you write it down as $7.50, but if you go back to the listing, it's actually $25. So they're afraid of clicking it. They don't know how to do it. So you have to tell them that they have to put some code at the end of checkout. So this is how you do it. Get link here and copy and paste this promo code. Alright, and then September 22nd is the expiration. So I will go back. I'll just say till September 22nd, and there you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click post. And you know, you just rinse and repeat and make sure that you know you're sharing the right codes. There are thousands of codes to be shared, but I just do not have time. So a lot of times I only put 30 codes every day. Besides the recommendation, this is the trending promo, you also have a lot down here. So you have to click each and individual, and I want to show you how to do this. This I don't like this for only 45%. I like 50% or more. So we have 60% here. Let's go ahead and click that one. And 65%, so that is MS Ron product. It's $79.99. Click this one, pick this one, alright? $17.99 minus 65%. I'm gonna go ahead and get link. Copy. I'm going back to my page. How much was it? $6.29. And I'm gonna go ahead and go back to and get the link and the promo code. So I'm just gonna copy and paste. Starting from here, promo code, copy and paste down here. You know what I like? I like to copy and paste the promo code at the comments. So I'm just gonna go ahead and post it, and then boom. That's all you gotta do, guys. And every day I put at least 30 or 50, average of 30 codes, 30 linked every day, and I get $5, $10, $4, $1, sometimes $0. But if you have a lot of time to do this, you could make more. So I'm only putting 5 to 10 minutes every day, and I'm averaging of $100 a month. So it's up to you to put time into it. You could make more. Anyways, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog, and if you like this video, if this is very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and share. And thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Bye bye.